Hello, Paul here from EMD Motor Sport at Canberra. I've got this Audi Q7 with the actual fault with the steering column. So you put the key, the actual main thing is when you put the key in, you go to start the car, nothing happens. It's all, the instrument cluster doesn't light up. And then sometimes, some day it works, some day it doesn't work. Intermittent, it works. So I've finished stripping everything down, done the programming. Should be hard, just some of the programs will be difficult on this, on different models, but there's the board there. I've got a box for the board, so I'm just connecting the board to the car now so I can start it up to make sure the ignition comes on first. Alright, ignition's on, yes, that's good. And now we're going to start the car up. Hit the brakes. So this car started. So I just gotta put that in a box, cut the box out and then put this properly in a box and then rebuild everything back up. I have to do that maybe this afternoon or tomorrow. This is Friday. Maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure, but definitely Monday we should finish this car here. And then I'm gonna put up on the hoist and double check everything underneath the car. Just to give the customer a report, just in case there's something wrong somewhere. So it's good thing to do for the customer. Alright. So back of the board's working, alarm's working, keys starting, everything works. Okay, now I can turn it off. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.